Hi! In front of me is POCO M4 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, my sweater is gray. That means that Autofill is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!